didn't bite to kill, it cried.
Water was its true domain.
The world changed, and giants like this could not survive.
It ruled and vanished without a trace.
There was no rival at the top.
Modern snakes are shadows of what once existed.
While the anaconda is massive, the Titanoboa reached lengths of nearly 50 feet, making it the largest snake to ever exist.
Only extreme heat could sustain a body this large.
When it struck, there was no escape.
It didn't need speed, only patience.
Every inch of its body was pure strength.
It was longer than a bus and heavier than a car.
When we talk about apex predators, the saltwater crocodile is in a league of its own. I'm 6 feet tall, and as you can see, he dwarfs me.
This was not a normal snake. Something enormous moved beneath the surface.
Six million years ago, Earth was far hotter and far more dangerous.
Slow metabolism allowed massive size without constant feeding.
The transition from water to land required a fundamental reorganization of the skeletal structure.
Its skeleton evolved to support impossible weight.